together from other years. This is just going to be full of idiots like me about to run into the sea. And all the people that have come to watch. So I think it's all going to be a bit crazy, and that water looks very, very cold. So I'm here with Chris, one of the organisers. So Chris, what's this about?
It started in 1984, raising money for the changing rooms of the sports club, and it's evolved since then. So we started off with, I think it was about 14 people, and I think today, if I just quickly check my phone, we are 2,322. So it's phenomenal, and it's for all good causes.
Yeah.
Really good, yeah.
So how much are you expecting to raise?
I would like to raise 50,000 to 60,000 pounds. So there's so many charities that will benefit from the swim. Community comes together, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, it seems like Saundersfoot is pretty community orientated.
Yeah,
everyone here seems to be getting involved.
I think the community of Saundersfoot, they love their swim, and they're proud of their swim, and I'm just looking after it.
Yeah.
And after my day, I'm hoping the swim will continue, and the next it'll evolve each year. But no, we're very proud of it in Saundersfoot, and the whole point of it is having a good day and making sure we raise it off for charity.
Yeah, thank you, Chris, and I'll see you afterwards.
No problem at all.